Hello guys, myself Saurabh Garg and I am from Engineering College Chalawar, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today I present a seminar presentation on the topic of blockchain technology. So first we will see that what I today represent in this seminar. So first of all, what is exactly is blockchain technology? What does mean by blockchain technology? And second of must non-blockchain term and what it exactly mean. Third one are what are smart contract under blockchain technology. Next, digital transformation of blockchain technology, and last one is how blockchain will change our world. So, what is blockchain technology? And the term blockchain, nothing but blockchain is nothing but open distributed ledger that can record transaction between two parties efficiently and in a verifiable and permanent way. As you know that blockchain technology has been around for quite some time now, still actively being in the spotlight. Even though there are some mixed feelings toward this technology, yet no one can entirely underestimate its role in the global economic landscape. And it also offers transparency, immutability, and security. And blockchain technology implementation of digital cryptocurrency Bitcoin. And let's see how blockchain work step by step. The first step is user request for transaction, and second one is blockchain represent the transaction state, that how block represent the transaction state. And third one, the block which will which receive from previous step, that is broadcast to all the nodes of network, and all the nodes validate the block and they transmit in the fourth step. And fifth step is that the block is added to the chain, and thus blockchain is transformed. And last one is transaction get entered and execute. What is Bitcoin's blockchain? A Bitcoin's blockchain currently about 2050 transactions are added to every block, and a new block is added in every 10 minutes. It means in every 10 minutes a block is added in blockchain technology. In black blockchain, for every block that is added, the miner gets 12.5 BTC as reward. In blockchain technology, there are some steps that are under in blockchain technology. So first of all, peer-to-peer network. Second, hash encryption. Third, proof of work. Fourth, blockchain program. So let's see what is peer-to-peer network. Every single person on the network has a copy of the ledger. That is no centralized copy. In blockchain technology, in computer science, a peer-to-peer network consists of a group of devices that collectively store and shares file. In peer-to-peer network, each node act as individual pod. Today, peer-to-peer network are the core of most cryptocurrencies, making a great portion of the blockchain industry. In peer-to-peer network, every single person on the network has a copy of the ledger. There is no single centralized original copy. The, it is the example of peer-to-peer network in which there are some person that are connected to peer-to-peer network, and it is a ledger of something. Hash function. So what is hash function? All data stored in blockchain technology is using hash function. SHA-256 encryption technology are used in blockchain technology. That means that once the target hash function has been obtained, then the block is accepted into the public ledger by consensus of the other participant network. And next is proof of work. So what is proof of work? Proof of work involves solving a computationally expensive puzzle to add the block to the blockchain. So any computational process is involved in blockchain technology that are under in proof of work. Bitcoin has miners who validate have to solve a complex mathematical puzzle. Every mathematical puzzle or problems are solved in proof of work of blockchain technology. So blockchain program. Blockchain program is used to create the implements rules in the blockchain. Blockchain can be used to perform multiple programs. An example of program is store ID cards of all the citizens for authentication to election like Aadhaar card, Chun Aadhaar card and Bhamasha etc. Different blockchain can have different program in them. Blockchain program. Blockchain program is used to create and implement rules in the blockchain. We can create condition as to when a transfer to happen, like students make condition in his transaction that month starting of the month fees has been submitted automatically through blockchain technology. Smart contract. A smart contract is a computer protocol intended to digitally facilitate, verify, or enforce the negotiation or performance of a contract. Smart contracts allow the performance of credible transaction without third parties. Benefits of a smart contract. First of all, speed and accuracy, trust. So smart contracts are digitally and automated, so you will not have to spend time processing paperwork or reconciling and correcting the errors that are often written into documents that have been filled manually. Trust. Smart contracts automatically execute transaction following predetermined rules and the encrypted records of those transactions. Security. Blockchain transaction records are encrypted and that makes them very hard to hack. Savings. Smart contract remove the need for intermediary because participant can trust the visible data and the technology to properly execute the transaction, and no brokerage are involved in blockchain technology. And in digital transformation, like blockchain is used media, law and crime, transposition, human rights, finance, contact, entertainment, and technology. How blockchain will change our world? Say goodbye to intermediaries. Here exactly the same thing. Now that companies have a secure way of transacting consumer directly, they no longer need to rely on platforms owned by third party like banks to conduct commerce. It means no brokerage. Deregulation healthcare. Blockchain gives patients more control over their sensitive medical information. A hospital ability streamline and share it, and everybody ability to protect it. Employer compensation. Blockchain will make it easier to pay employers and circumvent costly fees often associated with paying teams that work overage. Enhanced democracy. Even good governments are prone to corruption, rigged voting, and an ultimate dissolution of democracy in the eyes of its citizens. Thank you.